In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ClickUp folders. We'll walk through the process step by step so you can follow along in your own workspace and understand not just what to click, but why each step matters for keeping your work organized. First, make sure you're in ClickUp and looking at your list view. This is the view where you normally see your tasks laid out in a list format. If you're not there yet, use the sidebar on the left to navigate to a space and open any existing list. Once you see your tasks in a list, you're in the right place to start creating folders. Next, look at the left-hand sidebar where your spaces are listed. Find the space where you want to create a new folder. Right next to that space name, you'll see a small plus icon. Click that plus icon to open the options for adding something new inside that space. From the menu that appears, choose the option labeled Folder. This tells ClickUp that you're not adding a single list or task, but a container that will hold multiple lists related to the same area of work, like a client, a team, or a project. A window will pop up asking you to name your folder. Type in a clear, descriptive name that makes sense at a glance. For example, you might use something like Marketing Campaign Q2 or Product Launch. Good naming here really helps you and your team recognize what lives inside this folder later on. Once you've entered the name, click the Create button. ClickUp will now add your new folder inside that space, and you'll see it appear in the sidebar. At this point, you've created the structure that will group related lists and projects together in one place. Inside your new folder, you'll see an option to Add List. Click this to start creating the specific lists that will live within that folder, such as planning, design, or bugs. Each list can then contain individual tasks for that part of the project, which makes it much easier to break work into smaller, manageable sections. Whenever you need to see everything related to that project, simply open the folder. You'll be able to view all the lists and their tasks in one organized area. Over time, using folders like this keeps your ClickUp workspace structured, tidy, and easy to navigate, so you always know where to find the work